Attorney's Office to represent you and ask that you listen to Mr. McDaniel, your attorney.
Pardon me. It wasn't a such thing as breach of peace.
You see the text message?
Or what is it? You saying breach of peace? They said trespassing and I need to trespass on my daughter. No, because that's not her driver's license. That's my other daughter that's in that residential area. So when I went to go check on my clothes and check on her to make sure she was all right, and since she had to work that day, I knocked on the door. I said, Deborah, I said, you don't have to open the door. I said, look at me, baby, let me see you, because I was called from Louisville, Kentucky, and they told me I had a child abduction that I had to get on the Greyhound.
Ms. Brown, I'm not going to try to talk over you. You're going to have to be quiet and listen to me, or we're going to be through with this first appearance really quick.
Are you the same one that you?
The complaint,
is that
your
Mr.
bond's
Morris?
$2,500 cash or surety. That's your bond. Have a good day.
What? What did you say?
Judge, can we get a evaluation done?
Yeah, we get life management doing evaluation,
That's the same one
please.
that sent me to life management. So y'all planning vacant offices or something?
Corporal, we need to get her out of there. I'm through with the first appearance. She's got a bond. She needs to go.
Before we go through this?
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting fucked in my ass like y'all follow LaGarry now. There's some consequences need to be done about this. No, you're not. Stop chasing me for money about.
Apologize, John. I try to send these text messages to y'all when, I don't know, if there's a better option, let me know. I don't know.
You get on, I think you get a line up before we get on court. That's what happens, ain't it?
I apologize, Your Honor.
This one wasn't his fault.
Ain't nothing you can do about it. I think she may have some issues, but we'll see what life management says. Next case is Robert Gasty.
Good morning. Are you Braden Rodriguez?
No.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Judge.
So it's reduced to a third or reduced to, okay. Mr. Rodriguez, the state's elected to proceed on the lesser included offense of indecency with a child by exposure, which is a third-degree felony from May 31st of 2022. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty to that charge because you actually did that? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like the agreement is for a 5-year deferred adjudicated probation, a $500 fine, and you'll be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And is this a, does he have to register?
Yeah, we should fill out that paperwork.
Yeah, so you need to make sure and do the registration. Do you understand, as a part of this plea, you'll be required to register as a sex offender? It's on the tablet or there's two,
Okay.
either one.
Okay.
It's not.
Right, it's not.
You okay? Take a break. You're okay.
Yes.
I know.